Hey guys, welcome to the Droid Guy channel. How to fix mouse double-clicking on Windows. There have been reports from Windows users that the mouse that they are using double clicks instead of the standard single click, and it can be caused by either problems with the hardware, mouse settings, and its drivers. In this video, we will explore all potential troubleshooting solutions to fix the problem and help you get your mouse to properly work again. But before we begin, we would appreciate it if you hit the like and subscribe button for more troubleshooting videos. First solution, check mouse settings. It's highly possible that the mouse settings on your computer are incorrect, causing unintentional double clicking. In reality, your mouse is likely functioning properly, and the issue is due to changes in the Windows settings. To address this problem, you need to check mouse settings. To do this, press Windows key plus R key to open Run Box. Then, at Run Box, type Control and press Enter. At Control Panel, make sure the View By is set to large icons. Then click on Mouse. Under Mouse Properties Windows, make sure you're on the Buttons tab. Then under Double Click Speed, you can change the settings to the lowest speed. Click Apply to apply changes made, and then click OK to exit. Now check if the issue is resolved. However, if after changing the mouse settings an issue still persists, try checking another mouse settings by doing the following. Type single click at the search bar located at the lower left. Then click on Specify single or double click to open result. Next, make sure you're on General tab, then underclick items as follow. Make sure to check the option double click to open an item, single click to select. Click Apply to apply changes made, and then click OK to exit. Now check if the issue is resolved. Second solution, update mouse drivers. An outdated or corrupt drivers can cause device-related issues. Make sure drivers are up to date. To do this, press Windows key plus R on your keyboard to open Runbox. At Runbox, type dev mgmt.msc and press Enter. Then click on mice and other pointing devices to expand it. Then right-click the problematic driver and then select Update Driver from the drop-down menu. Then select the option Search automatically for drivers, and then let the system select a driver for you. Once best drivers are already installed, click Close to exit. Next, restart your computer. Then check if the issue still occurs. Third solution, reinstall mouse driver. If updating drivers did not help fix the issue, you may need to reinstall a new driver for your mouse. To do this, press Windows key plus R on your keyboard to open Runbox. At Runbox, type devmgmt.msc and press Enter. Then click on mice and other pointing devices to expand it. Then right-click the problematic driver and then select Uninstall device from the drop-down menu. Next, click on Action tab. Then select Scan for hardware changes from the drop-down menu. Mouse driver will automatically install. Exit Properties window and then check if the issue still occurs. And that's it. I hope this guide has been helpful. Please support us by clicking like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more troubleshooting videos.